Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today, this is a behind the scenes filming of our American Dream TV. We're doing Tryon, North Carolina, and one of my favorite restaurants, N Hwy Dining Room, on 176 in Tryon. So I'm so excited about this. Plus we get to eat too. I love being a host for American Dream TV because I'm able to show off the places and things I love most about my hometown. When I was thinking about what I wanted my next episode to be about, I knew I had to show off the place where I went to elementary school and where my family goes out to eat together. We are now at one of my favorite restaurants in the whole world. I've been going here my whole life, N Hwy Dining Room. It was established in 1945, and look at the river. I'm not gonna lie, I was most excited about going to N Hwy. The restaurant itself is on a river tucked away in the Blue Ridge Mountains. There are rainbow trout, and honestly, everything else on the menu is to die for. I couldn't wait to bring American Dream TV here so N Hwy could get the recognition it deserves. I'm so excited for you to see this episode, and I hope you get to visit Tryon soon.